I made these burritos 8 times before they were right. Too wet, too full, the tortilla kept tearing, but today I'm showing you what actually works. Seasoned ground beef, Mexican red rice, crispy cabbage, corn, tomato and cheddar, all wrapped up and baked in the oven. And one trick that makes all the difference. Cook the onion and garlic in a little olive oil. Add the ground beef, break it up, cook until browned. Stir in the burrito seasoning and cook 1 more minute. Add the tomato paste and water. Let it simmer until the liquid is mostly gone. Off the heat, stir in a teaspoon of lemon juice and a little brown sugar. That balances everything out. And now the most important step. Let this cool for 10 minutes. Rice goes in first, that keeps the tortilla from getting soggy. Then the beef, then your fresh toppings, cabbage for crunch, corn, tomato, red onion and a good handful of cheddar. Fold the bottom up, the top down, tuck the sides in and roll it tightly. Wrap each one in foil. 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pull the foil off for the last 5 minutes if you want a little crunch on the outside. 3 things to remember. 1. Let the filling cool. 2. Use Roma tomatoes and remove the seeds. 3. These freeze beautifully for up to 3 months. Just wrap them individually and reheat at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes straight from the fridge. The full recipe is on the blog. Link is in the description. Save this one for your weekly meal plan and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy weeknight dinner.